Hi, this is Marion Robertson from Bee Sweet Nature Company, and this is going to be another podcast on getting to know us. Today's topic is Ontario sourcing, biodiversity of seed collection, and ethical seed gathering. So, what am I talking about? And why is it so important to us at Bee Sweet to talk about Ontario sourcing? So basically what I've done is, or we have done, is devise an intensive seed collection program based on two governing principles. So let's go through these principles. The first one is genetic biodiversity. Now this goes way back to my university days, but it's all about Mendel and his genetic laws. And one of the fundamental governing laws for whether it be plants or animals or fish is you have to have a broad and more diverse genetic base, that is, more parents sampled from, in order to create and maintain a resilient population. So how do we do this with our plants, with the trees and the shrubs and the wildflowers and the grasses and everything we grow? So we've accompanied this by doing two different activities in our seed collection program. The first is, which is most important, is increasing the number of seed gathering sites. And we have really focused our attention on the most southern sites of southern Ontario. And that really does focus along the whole Lake Ontario, Lake Erie shoreline. And the reason we're intensifying our efforts on these areas is it's going to be a segue or a lead into our assisted migration program, which I promise I will discuss at a later podcast. So what we try to do is increase the number of sites so that we can increase the amount of genetic variability. So today we have tripled our sites in these southern Ontario sites. Now, the second part that we're looking at in this whole seed collection program is actually increasing the amount of parents we collect from on each site. So it's not good enough just to pick, let's say, 50 acorns from one tree, because that's the easiest thing to do. What you end up doing is collecting maybe 10 acorns from every tree, and you maximize the amount of parents actually contributing to the program. So in this way, we've done Mendel's basic principle by increasing the number of selection sites and increasing the number of parents. Then on top of it, from each of these respective parents, we try to get some of the offspring planted onto our on-site seed orchard so that we have a bit of a genetic bank of all this incredible genetics, just in case those sites are lost to development, climate change, catastrophe. Who knows what the future holds, right? We're just trying to bank a little bit of insurance. The second big component that supports our program is ethical gathering. So yes, we do collect from wild sites, but we only collect a small portion, a small percentage from each parent plant and from the whole area collectively. Why is this so important? Well, we have to save the majority of the seeds and acorns and nuts for natural regeneration of the site. So you always want these sites to thrive and genetically talk to one another. And of course, we need a large component of that remaining seed lot to be there for the wildlife. I mean, let's face it, that's their food for both the local wildlife population and any migratory population. So, anyways, I hope that helped clarify what I'm talking about when we're so proud about saying we're Ontario seed sourced and collected ethically seeds. And I again thank you for listening to our ongoing series on getting to know us. So until next time, bye bye.